How to save and organize projects in LightCut. First of all, open the app on your device and finish editing or working on your project. Once you are ready, tap the back button usually located at the top left corner of the screen and select the Save and Exit button to ensure your project is stored safely within the app in drafts. Next, organize your projects by giving each one a clear and descriptive title, making it easier to locate them later. If you need to continue editing later, simply open the Drafts section from the top, where all saved projects are displayed in an organized layout. Tap on any project to resume editing instantly. Regularly saving and organizing your projects ensures you never lose your progress and keeps your workflow efficient and stress-free. Now you know how to save and organize projects in LightCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.